that good?
Bacon is having bacon steakin'. Bacon and steak for dinner.
With a little bit of kibble.
For his birthday. I like that, bacon steakin'.
It must be good. The bowl's moving.
You like that? Good? Is that good?
Oh my goodness. This is his first steak.
Yeah, it is.
I have a feeling the kibble's not going to get eaten. Wow. I can't hold on to the bowl.
Just let him push it up to the counter.
Have at it, Boo. Happy birthday.
Rocking his new bacon collar.